Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, as you can see, I'm going to clean my car and I'm going to organize it with this trunk organizer that I picked up from Aldi. So stay tuned. We're getting ready to go through the car wash. So this is how my trunk looks right now. It's all my car supplies, and I always keep an extra car seat in case I have to pick my grandkids up, and I always keep an extra thing of water in case I forget to put some in my lunch bag. So this is the folding trunk organizer that I picked up from Aldi's for $8.99, and I'll be using that today. I'm gonna go ahead and do away with that car seat. And my husband is over there cleaning his car out also. So it's pretty large. So I'm going to place my car supplies on that left side. And I always keep old washcloths, and I'm going to put those old washcloths in those little pockets on the side, because you never know when you may have to use one for something. Deodorize, I always sprinkle that on my carpet before I vacuum my car out. It gives it a good smell. I have it organized. I have all my car supplies on the left. I have oil, extra oil. I always keep Kleenex in my car, jumper cables, and an oil funnel. And over to the right, I always keep my bags that I use when I go to Aldi's. And I also have room in there if I need to put some groceries on that right side.